See, what is a substance crisis? As I told you, substances crisis mean a situation where people are not able to meet their regular expenses, their regular basic need. What their regular basic need, like food, shelter, and clothes. Why they are unable to meet these all the thing? Because the lacking of resources. They don't have that much resource. Through this they can fulfill these all the things. So how substances crisis occur, how it happen? So how it happened? First of all, there is a bad harvest. I told you how bad harvest will happen due to severe winter. If there is a severe winter, if there is a drought, if there is a hail, so these all the thing do these all the thing made our crop destroy. Okay, made our crop destroy. So this is the reason bad harvest. Then ultimately our harvest turn into bad. Our harvest become bad. Our harvest become bad. And if our harvest become bad, then what will happen? There is no harvest. If there is no harvest, then there is a food scarcity. Okay, food scarcity in the sense you all that people will depend on the food which is stored in the past for their future. What the food we stored in the past for our future, and if there is a no harvest, then ultimately what we will do, we use that stored food. So it means food scarcity, because there is no new crop now. So if there is no new crop, so ultimately you have to based on the earlier crops, earlier food grain what you have stored. So this is the main reason. What will come? It will come food scarcity. And if there is a food scarcity, if there is no food in the market, there is no food now, demand is more, okay, but supply is less. Because of the more on the population, because of the increasing of population, demand increase, and there is a food scarcity. Then there is a food scarcity, so there is no food, there is no food in the market, there is no grain in the market. Then what people will buy? Only that people can buy, those who have a money, like those who are a richest person, those who have a purchasing power, so they can buy. But what happened for that person, those who didn't have a money, what will they do? Of course, that time, if there is no food in the market, the food price will increase. Okay, food price will increase. And food price will increase, the food only on bought by the richest person of a society. And at that time, who will suffer? Of course, peasants and worker, these class will suffer, middle and lower middle class. Now see, they go here. See here, the poor can no longer buy bread. They are no longer to buy bread now. Why? Because they don't have a money. Their purchasing power has destroyed. Their purchasing power has snatched through the noble and clergy. If they don't have money to buy, then what will happen? Food riot will happen. Either they just start to robbing the food. And what can happen? If they will not get a proper diet, then their body get weak. If they don't get a proper diet, their body get weak. And if their body will weak, then what will happen? They'll surrounded with the diseases, epidemic. And these an epidemic will increase the death rate. Okay, so this is the substances crisis, and how it will occur. So this is the way this will occur in a society. This occurs in a the occur in this the subsistence crisis occur in a society from this way. So our next point is a growing middle class, and we say to end privileges. So our next heading is growing middle class, and we says to end privileges. First of all, we need to understand who are the growing middle class. Who are the growing middle class? Growing middle class are the prosperous and richest member of a third state. growing middle class were the prosperous and richest member of third estate. Okay, third in state. And who were the prosperous and richest? They were merchant, manufacturer, educator, philosopher, lawyer, etc. Okay, these are the growing middle class. Now, envisage. What's the mean of envisage? Mean imagination. Imagination in the sense to imagine something, to think something. Imagination means to think, think, to think something that can happen in future. That to think something could happen in future. So this is imagination. This is the imagination, and we says, and this and we says was done through these third class of a these third state of a these the member of a third state. So the third state, the member of a third state, who are the growing middle class, they were thinking, they were imagining what they were envisaging to end privileges. Whose privileges they want to get end? So of course, they want to end the privileges of nobles and clergy and church. As I told you, 60% land owned of the noble and the church. Okay, so these are the privileges. These are the privileged person. These are the privileged member of a society. So whose privilege want to get end? Who wants to get end? These, the third state member. Okay, so now we start. In the past, peasants and worker, they had revolt against so increasing taxes and food scarcity. So the peasants and worker, they don't have resources. What resources? They don't have resources to bring out the significant changes economically and socially. So who will bring changes? Of course, that changes had brought through this growing middle class. And who was this growing middle class? As I told you, the merchant, the manufacturer, educator, philosopher, and lawyers. So how they earn their wealth? How they earn their wealth? The merchant, he earned his wealth through expanding overseas trade, and manufacturer, and so on, the manufacturing a good like silk, wool, and textile, and they export their goods. Either they export their goods, and what they do, and their goods bought by either the noble person of the society and the richest member of the society. So from where they are from where they are earning their wealth. And here are the some more like professors, okay, educator and philosopher. There is a administrative of official. So these all there is these all are the group. Who? These all are the person. These all are the member of a third state. The group of the member of third state. What they just wanted to said, there is a no group in a society. They believed that there is a no group in a society who privileged by birth. Rather, person social's image. person's social image is based on their merit, and for all they put forward based on their merit, and these ideas was put forward through the some philosophers. And who were these philosophers who were bringing these all the ideas? Ideas they are bringing, like there is no privileges by birth, there should be equality. What they all want in a society, they want there must be life to right to life, there must be equality. ठीक है, there must be equality and opportunity, equal in front of a law, equal freedom to speak, freedom to opinion. These all the ideas were being brought through the philosopher, and these philosophers are, so these are the ideas. These were the ideas who brought in the society through these philosophers. There is a John Locke, okay, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Montesquieu. They all wrote a book, and in his book, through their book, they threw their ideas in a society. John Locke, he wrote in his book Two Treatises of a Government. John Locke book's name is Two Treatises of a Government, and in his book he sought to refute the doctrine of a divine and absolute right of a monarch. He just want to say through his book, monarch doesn't have a power, monarch doesn't have a divine right, he is not our god, he's just a man like us, he's just a person like us. He doesn't have a right to do empire on us. Okay, and his idea is carried, they all carried to among their ideas, his ideas carried through the Jean-Jacques Rousseau. What Jean-Jacques Rousseau to carry his idea, he said, yeah, of course. He wrote a book, Social Contract, and through his book, what he wanted to set form of a government based on a social contract. What's the need of such a government if a people not able to put their word in front of a government, in front of a monarch, in front of a king? Because king is inside the palace, he doesn't have a care how's his subject, what his subject was suffering from, what the problem they have, what their need, they didn't have a care. So the Jean-Jacques Rousseau said the form of a government based on a social contract. There is social contract. What kind of social contract? Between the people and their representative. Equal voting, there must be equal voting. There is not a thing if a person born in a clergy family, if a prince whose father is a king, so it doesn't mean that person also will become a king, either if he didn't have that quality to run his subject, to run his society, to run his state. So he don't have a right to sit on the palace to take the successor. Okay, and his idea carried through the Montesquieu. Now Montesquieu carried his idea. He wrote a book, The Spirit of a Law. What he wrote in his book, Spirit of Law, he wrote division of a power. Like power should not in a single hand. It should not concentrated in a single hand. Power should be separated. What kind of a separation he talked about? The legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. So these are the philosophers who was throwing their ideas through the book in the society to bring out the significant social and economical changes in the society. And the model, these were the model which were led through these philosophers. First of all, this model has adopted in America. Okay, the model was put force into the USA, when while the America 13 colonies gained their freedom against the through the British, with the Britain, okay, with their enemy, with their common enemy, with their enemy of a Britain. So the American Constitution and the guarantee of individual right was an important example of a political thinker of a France. And the idea of these philosophers were now the idea of these philosophers, these are the ideas of these philosophers, like what they are the talking, how we could brought changes in our society. So these are the idea what they have adopted from the USA. These all the idea was start to discuss in a salon, in a coffee shop, and they spread to the ideas were start to spread through the magazine, newspaper and books, and the ideas were frequently read among those group who was not able to read and write. See, in 18th century, in the 18th century there is a number of men and women who were not able to read and write. So the Louis XVI, and now the Louis XVI was planned to impose further taxes. Louis XVI was planned to impose further taxes. So third state of people generated anger and they protest the system of a privilege. So this is the our 1.3 point is a middle growing society, and we say to end the privileges. How this is the growing middle class. Okay, this is the growing middle class. A John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, merchant, manufacturer, educated, lawyer. These were the growing middle class, and they brought such kind of changes in the 18th century of France. Now, in our next video, we'll discuss about the outbreak of a monarchy. Hope you understand what I had explained. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye and take care.